Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Fine-tuning your website can go to the smallest detail. Have you ever seen when you select a text on a website that it actually takes the color of the system of your computer? Well, let's change that and jump into Bricks. Alright, we're in the section 12th of December. You can see I have two blocks of text. And on the second one, as you can see, when I select my text, it's showing this sort of pinkish gray color, and this is not coming from my website at all. So I know it could look like it because I have some similar colors, but absolutely not. My computer setting is set of sort of like a red, and so when I select the text, it actually appears this color. So let's see what we're going to be doing. Basically here, when you select that text, you can see that you can actually decide what color you want the selection to be. So let's see how to do this. Let's go in our text and we're going to go straight into the CSS. We're going to, of course, target the root. And here we're going to put column selection. And here under, we're going to put background color. I'm going to put my variable. You can put anything, of course. Okay, we have it here. And now we're going to put the text color to white. And when now we select our text right here, you can see that it applies automatically. It's pretty cool. But of course, when we target the root element, it just applies to that element specifically. What about if you want it everywhere on your website? Well, just go to the brick settings and then go to custom CSS, custom code, sorry, and then custom CSS. And the thing you would have to do is simply copy and paste this here. And you're done. It will be appearing everywhere on your website. So let's test this. I'm going to save those as well and see in the front end on the 1st of December, as you can see, any selected text is now with our color. Super cool. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be very happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tricks for bricks. And as usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!